integrity and strength for us all. I am truly honoured to be a part of this humble community. The community of Nokla, Dalatibari and Sherpur, where values of compassion, unity shine. Today, as we remember Shahid Ali Chowdhury, let us also reflect on the journey we have taken to be here together after 18 years of gathering in the same space of this college. I would like to take a moment to express my heartfelt gratitude to the student-led revolution that brought down the dictator government. It is because of their bravery, sacrifices, that we're able to gather here today in freedom, celebrating the remarkable legacy of the remarkable man, Haj Shahid Ali Chowdhury, who believed in the justice and the power for the people. Have faith and support that my husband, Fahim Chowdhury, will lead with the same principles and honesty as my late father-in-law did. Manashor Jonmo, Manashor Kalani, Onek Dolabar, Assalamu Alaikum.